The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a tornado warning for central Moultrie County in central Illinois until 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:17 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a confirmed Landspout tornado was located south of Dalton City, or about 3 miles northwest of Bethany, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: very weak or Landspout tornadoes. Source: Weather Spotters confirmed Landspout tornado. Impact: expect damage to mobile homes, roofs, and vehicles. The tornado will be near Bethany around 7:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Sullivan and Lovington around 7:35 p.m. Central Daylight Time. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.